then just pry it?
Yep. Watch your hand or else oil will come out on it.
It's like, you can't get it past a certain point. Oh,
There you go.
I'm trying not to make a mess, I promise. Oh! I just used the screwdriver as like a way.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
You sure you wanted me to do this? All right. I need to clean up on aisle 3. This one's already like it's literally already halfway out.
Sometimes you get lucky.
It's loose. Got it in a weird spot. There we have a hanger.
Right. Let me go grab a rubber strap.
Yep.
I forgot that. Don't need it.
Got it.
Good hands. There it goes.
Should I drop it? Can I just grab it with my
Yep.
hands?
You pulled that bolt out earlier. Press this pin out. Once you remove that, you can spin your carrier up like so you can see the end of the axles. Once you get that out, if your car is equipped with ABS, you will need to remove the ABS sensor that's located here. It takes an inverted torque socket, and then all you do is press in on the axle, which the axle will move towards the center, and then you'll take like a magnet, grab a hold of this little C-clip right here, and it'll just come right out, and then you slide the axle out.
Oh, there we go.
Ta-da.
Am I doing it right?
I mean, it's coming out. Just make sure you don't nick the seal. Oh, nice.
All right.
Very nice.
There we go. Rusty is inscribed with rotor side, so a lot of people think it goes logo out, but it actually is logo in, just like that. It's funny, like this is so shiny and then these are rusty. Do I just grab it anywhere? Does it matter?
Yep, just grab it.
Daddy, chill.
It won't bite.
You made it look easier.
There it goes. Or
Somewhat.
it felt like it did.
I got a little bit of room. It's like putting a cup in the movie theater, like when you're trying to like find it.
Yeah. It's like, where's it at?
You're just sitting there like circling it for 20 minutes. There we go. All right.
That's it. Now we gotta put the C-clips in. I find it easiest to put it on a magnet stick. Kind of hold it the way you need it. Slide it in. Pop the axle back up. There we go. Make sure our hole is lined up with that hole. I like to stick this in there before I let it go too far. That way I know that I'm lined up here. Slap that in.
There we go.
Hang on, let me look. Alright, yeah, it's all over your face.
Yeah.
No,
Well,
it's
I
alright.
had like I wipe my mouth always with my gloves, and then I'll have like a 5 o'clock shadow.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we are putting on the cover, and we did the silicone first before we started messing with the rest of the install. That way this has time to cure and set. Trying to make sure they're all the right ones.
I mean, doesn't everyone want mixed match bolts?
Just get one of these and just try to cram it in.
Yeah.
Why isn't it working?
Huh. Well, it's because you got the wrong socket on the impact.
So you're gonna want to make sure to Loctite all of these.
When you're done, throw a little JB weld on them. Everything will be fine.
Listen, ladies, if your man cheats on you, just Loctite any of the bolts on any of this. Am I going the wrong way?
Lefty tighty, righty loosey. We all know this.
Right? Like,
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
it's like awkward because the bar's right there.
Mm-hmm. Sway bar is always getting in the way.
Yep. Monkey, monkey. Thank you. I think I got that one in. Just shatters. Just like drops all the way to the ground. Rips the lines. Pop that in there. Anything is a hammer.
That's right. Ta-da! All right, so we're going to be running Taurus calipers, and if you look here, you can see the piston diameter on the Taurus calipers is much larger than the piston diameter on the factory GT calipers. But it's not a direct bolt-on. You have to use these cages here, the brackets, off the GT calipers onto the Taurus calipers, which pretty easy. You literally just pull them off the slide bolts, put them on the slide bolts on the Taurus calipers, and they bolt right on.
And I'm holding it in the wrong hand. Thank you.
That.
There we go.
There it is.
All right.
Perfect. Now we'll run the brake lines. The plug is located right here on the driver's side. Right there. We need the extension to go in from the front with a ratchet.
Handbrake mount is in. It is touching the seat because of how close I have to sit to the wheel, but it still works. It's just kind of resting on the seat there.
Okay. We got a lot.
Let me just scratch the crap out of this. All right.
All right. Just put the nuts on. Kicked off the video.
It's okay. That's what cutting is for.
Yeah. That's almost tight enough. Almost.
I rounded
Really?
it off. Like that, and then we can maybe like zip tie it underneath.
Yep.
Okay.
And then the same size wrench.
Super.